Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Aldana V GameStop.inc. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a class action lawsuit against GameStop. But before we get into the details, this is exactly why I made my research guide. So you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So let's get back to the review. And if you're wondering if this is legit, this is actually legit. The Aldana V GameStop.inc class action lawsuit is legit. However, it is only targeted towards people who bought something from GameStop. So if you haven't bought something from GameStop in the past year or so, you're not qualified for this. So if you have received an email from them, I would advise you to verify it first, since there are a lot of scams out there claiming that you're eligible. So why was this issue noticed? Because you have the right to know about proposed settlement of this class action lawsuit, all about your options before the court decides where to give the final improvement of the settlement. This notice explains the lawsuit, the settlement, and your legal rights. So it's about the violated law from the Video Privacy Protection Act under Act 18 USC number 2710. So it is basically disclosing its online video game customers' personally identifiable information to Facebook via Facebook tracking pixel without consent in the violation of the Video Privacy Act. And how do I know if you are eligible for it? So all individuals who purchased the GameStop from GameStop at the time of purchase were a member of Facebook, maintenance public Facebook profile using their actual name. So if you have using your actual name on Facebook and have purchased something from GameStop and have linked to it, you are eligible. However, I would advise you to do some more research if it is actually legit if you got an email. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.